Look at the state of this. What a mess. Anyway, I'm doing this. I'm trying to be loose with it and trying to sort of fuzzy it up a little bit. Racket that washing machine. Trying to fuzzy it up a bit. I don't know if you can really see it very well. It's still wet at the moment, so some of the markings to that are all sort of spreading a bit where it's wet. And so is this, but I don't know. It's sort of a strange thing. Do you leave it? Do you carry on? Have you achieved furriness? Not really. I've wet the paper both sides, which I don't normally do. Just try and give it. I've wetted it both sides to try and give it a more drying time, but I don't think the paper is really good enough. I think you need really thick paper for this. Anyway, enough rambling. Don't know whether to carry on with it or whether to leave it and let it dry and just leave it like impressionistic. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, little update.